So most people do okay. Obviously, it's not a fun illness to have, but our biggest concern is for young babies. So younger than 12 months, somewhere around a third end up needing treatment in a hospital. So it's really hard for their little lungs to handle this bacteria. Even if they need hospitalization, again, most babies do okay. Very rarely it does cause death. So those are the things, we're most concerned about. Obviously, hospitalization, really severe illness in the youngest and most vulnerable among us. Those with immunosuppression are also, at risk for more complicated disease.